Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing a pawn, and I'm going to go to create new and millimeters again, and I'm just going to hit delete on the model that's there, and I'm going to pick up the circle tool, just click, and I'm going to make the radius of this 500. I'm going to scale the whole product down after we've drawn it, so don't worry too much. Start off with that as a good point, and we're going to pick up the push-pull tool, and we're going to make that 100 tool. I'm going to show you a tool we haven't used so far now. Under the push-pull, we're going to pick up the offset tool, and we're going to offset a line from the circle's edge, and I'm just going to make that drop there in the center, and I'm going to pick up the push-pull tool again and just pull that upwards. Let's make that 100 as well. Okay, now so that my profile is in alignment and nice and straight, I'm going to pick up a rectangle, and I'm just going to draw it from the center point here. Make sure it touches the endpoint edge there. This is the space I'm going to work in to draw my profile for the pawn. I'm going to pick up a circle as well, and I'm going to put the center point of the circle, just move it down and drop it on the face there, and let it touch this edge. Brilliant. Lots of lines intersecting. We're going to deal with that with the eraser afterwards. I'll just pick up and remove this, and I won't need this anymore, or that. I'm going to leave these lines in place before I finish this off. I'm going to pick up the arc tool now, and I'm going to do a 2-point arc. 2 points, and then I'm going to drag the center outwards. You might want to use a line tool here, it's up to you, but I'm going to use 2 points, and I'm going to pick the base corner here. I could make it move slightly further in actually, so that there's another little lip. So I'm just going to move it in, and I'm working on this face here, so I'm going to drop it there, then move the center point in here. Great. Eraser tool again, and I'm just going to use the rubber to get rid of these parts. You can see now I've still got a full profile, and I'm just going to add in a little bit more detail. So a little rectangle, just going to add that in, sticks out slightly on this edge, little notch. Assuming rotate round between the axes, and then use my eraser again. So know that the profile is one solid shape. It will fill with blue colour. Okay, so if I just rotate that around, it should be all on one space and it should fill with colour. Okay, that looks nice. You could edit that slightly to look a little bit different. It's up to you, it's your own personal preference. The next part now is going to be using the follow me tool. So I want this shape, this profile, to revolve all the way around this shape. You can see how I just clicked to the end point. If I click undo, I'll just revolve that again so I'm looking at it in a nice way. Click the follow me, this shape, follow it all the way around here. The end point is going to be where it starts. We'll just click there. Nice. Now, could you create more than one piece? We all started with a base, so I mean the next step would be for you to create another base for your next part. So I'm going to just click in the center, and I'm going to draw another circle here. And we started with a radius of 500, and we use the push-pull, 100. We offset, and I did that by -150.